No batteries.
Fuck, watch the leg.
Okay, I guess that has a little bit. Got the power supply today, got the case today. Definitely was expecting a little bit smaller. I don't know really what I expected, but not quite a box that big. But I'm excited, and I'm ready to get started. Steven Sleazy's Breezy Knee Sleeves.
Stevie Breezy Sleazy Knees.
Stevie's Breezy Sleezy's Knee Sleeves.
Stevie Breezy Sleazy Knee Sleeves.
Steven Breezy's Sleazy Greasy Knees. Greasy Sleevy Stevie Knee Sleeves.
Creepy Sleazy's Tree Leaves.
What was that?
Creepy Sleazy's Breezy Tree Leaves.
Dank. So this is Cody's been building the inside of it.
It's so gosh darn dark in here that I have to use a flashlight when I'm building. And there's no other lights I can turn on. There's not.
That one and that one, and this is his whole apartment. Everything you
Like
see.
my apartment is as light as it literally can get right now. Try and boot for the very first time. See what happens. I don't like that red light. Desktop? Maybe? Yes? No? Oh. Uh-oh. Look at this wasp nest I've got going on. HDMI goes all the way over there. Ethernet goes all the way over there. My power goes all the way into the kitchen, past my build mess, to that outlet there. Jesus, damn. Darn. I still need to figure out what's going on with my LED strip, why that's not on. But the important thing is the build works. We're in Windows. Finally got the LEDs working. Look at that lamp right there. That's better. It took me way too long to figure out that those needed SATA power. It really did. But we're in business. Mr. Once Upon a Time over here